In this short video, I will show you how to convert photos to black and white from channels in simple way. Make sure the channel panel is open. If it is not open, go window and channels, and make sure it is a big thumbnail. From this context menu, press on it, then panel options, then choose the big thumbnail. Now we have three channels: red, green, blue. How to convert this photo to this red channel or green channel or blue channel? Go back to RGB, then go to layers, press on new layer, go to image, apply image, and make sure the layer is merged. The channel, the blending mode is normal, and the channel, choose the channel you like. Make sure the preview tick is clicked, then choose the channel you like: red, green, blue. In this case, I think the red is most contrasty and more give the image pop. Click OK, and that's it. Black and white, color. Black and white, color. In this second image, we will convert this portrait I shot last week from color to black and white. It's the same procedure. Go to image, apply image, make sure the layer is background, so we didn't make a new layer, so it's going to apply the image on the same layer. So we will go to cancel, make a new layer, go to image, apply image, layer field is merged, channel is RGB, and the blend mode is normal. We will click on preview, then choose the right channel for our choice. This is the red, blue is more contrasty, the green is good, red is very white. We will choose green and click OK. This is the black and white, and this is the color. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make me a favor, like the video and subscribe to channel for more Photoshop tricks. Have fun.